Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy baby Dogecoin on your Trust wallet. So to buy this coin on your Trust wallet, you need to open up Trust wallet application and you want to click manage crypto at the bottom. This is just so when you buy it you would see it. So write down baby Doge and you will see all of these options. So now I'm just going to choose the baby Doge on Ethereum network, and just like so, here it is. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy baby Dogecoin with fiat money, you cannot do that. It's only available to receive it or swap it. So if you have Ethereum, for example, you can go ahead and swap it to baby Dogecoin. If you want to go ahead and buy baby Dogecoin, there is another one, which is baby Doge on BNB Smart Chain. So this one, once you click on it, you can actually buy, as you can see, with just click on buy. You can go ahead and pay in euros, and you can actually pay with credit card. You can choose Simplex provider, or you can choose Apple Pay or bank transfer. And after that, you will see your baby Doge right there at the manage and at your crypto dashboard. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.